All right, first step. This is going to be the twin turbo build for this R8 V8 2014. So the very first step, we got to take some measurements. We need to find out, So I was already actually doing the measurements when I decided to make this video. So what we want to do is we want to measure the space that we have. This is just for the intercoolers. I'm not even to the turbo and exhaust and piping design, because I'm going to build my own intercoolers, air to water intercoolers. So first thing you got to do is figure out what kind of space you have. So I measured, this is a 6 inch by, I don't know, 8 or 9 inch thing where this oil pump housing is on. So from here to the plastic, and then from this plastic to this subassembly bar. So you can, and then with that, you gotta notch out for that because you can't use that space. And actually, you can't even use this whole space because you have these that need to rest on those. So really, you have to come from here. So you get all that space, and I've already I did that yesterday before I decided to do this, and that's already in CAD. So already did all that. And then measure the depth. It's 5 inches to the plate that's already there. Why make another plate? Unless you need more room, then things will change. But anyway, so we got that. And then what I was just doing this morning was measuring. It's kind of hard to measure if you think about it. I wanted to know where is the center of this throttle body. So, after coming up with several different methods, I just put it on like that, made sure it was flush, like 90, onto the throttle body. Put that there and then measure. So, because this engine in the R8 is not centered. I mean, it looks centered, but it's not. It's a little bit over to the left, looking to the front. And then I measured where the current openings are for the air intake, because I'll probably want to use that for piping or something. So I just wanted to know where it was and how big it was. So right now, all the measurements I need for the intercooler are done. So let's close this up, because we're a long ways away from doing anything in the motor. First, you got to take all the measurements. I got a ton of trash in here from several installs. Yeah, you don't care about that. Okay, so I'm going to cut this, take you upstairs. All right, so we're headed upstairs to the headquarters, to the brains where everything happens. It's messy. Don't mind the tanning bed. And then, so see, we've already got it up on CAD. So we're just going to continue the CAD drawings, and I can do that. It's going to continue the CAD drawings, and then when next time, whatever my next stopping point is, I'll do another one. Hey, if you like these videos and you want to see more, please consider helping us out by picking up a t-shirt over at blacktopmods.com. Be super helpful. We're going to have, as you know, right now we're doing the R8 twin turbo build with also building our own intercoolers. After that, we're going to do a wide body, R8 wide body kit. We're going to actually build the kit ourselves, carbon fiber. And then any other things that you want to see build, those are just the two we have on tap right now. If I'd have known earlier, I could have done my son's R8. Or not his R8, his A6. We took the motor out twice trying to figure something out. And that would have been cool just to show everybody. But that's done. So also, there could be other builds. Anyway, anything that you're interested in, that would be cool. And it would really help us out a lot if you could pick up a t-shirt.
I mean, I would say just support the channel if you want. Maybe I'll put a button down there for PayPal or something like that. That would be awesome. But you know, the t-shirts are cool. Everyone wears t-shirts. I bought this, you know, online for somebody. So that would just help us out a lot. Really appreciate it.